It's super, super slick.
All right, today's a new day. We got Carl here again. We got a call to go get some, I think it's a blue Honda or Kia Soul. It's like your little car.
No, not mine.
We're gonna go get out. It drifted off into Snowbank, and we got the old taco over there. We're gonna go pull them out. So let's hit the road.
Let's be safe.
All right, we are on the road. We are rolling out.
Yeah.
We go, hopefully. We are 29 minutes away from where. Should have brought the Duramax with the new tires. We could have got them out
easily.
While those boys are out doing recovery, we'd like to thank Raycon for sponsoring today's video.
All right, you guys, you know how much we love our Raycons here at Fab Rats.
There's not a day that goes by that I don't have some Raycons of some sort or another in my ears listening to either music, a book, or just something.
And let me tell you, sometimes it's actually very annoying because he has his earbuds in and he can't hear anything that I'm saying to him.
You can just tune the whole world out and go to work.
There's another option for people like me that actually like to hear what's going on but still have great sound too. And Raycon now has essential open earbuds that you can try, which go around your ear instead of inside your ear. So with these bad boys, you can hear your surroundings, but still listen to your book, your music, and these are really good for people that don't like stuff in their ear. It literally just sits on, I can't even feel they're on right now.
These things are perfect for working out. You can pop them in. And right now is the perfect time to grab yourself a set of these earbuds because they're 15% off.
You get the same quality as the big guys for half the price. And with 36 hours of battery life, you can wear them around the clock.
Even the shop cat wears Raycons. Look at the cat.
If you guys want to try some out for yourself, go to buyraycon.com/fabratsopen to get 15% off.
Let's get back to work and see if we can get something accomplished today.
All right, we're on the way. All right, we are on 14. We are on the road, and we are currently 9.9 miles away from the people. I don't know why I started talking like that. We are coming up to where we're going.
Remember when we were bombing down these roads and it exploded?
And then the day after we crashed it.
Skirt! Hey, let's not wreck.
We got a little sideways there, bud. She's icy, I can see why. I see it.
Is that them right there?
I see it.
Okay, I can understand why they got stuck now.
Yeah. Oh, they're not even that stuck.
No,
Yep.
this should be easy.
We shall get out and see what we're cracking with. What's going on?
Hi.
We'll go examine. Yep, I'm Jace. Yep. She's sliding. We'll go over here. There we go. We're stayed now.
We're stayed.
What's that? Yeah, I think so. She is pretty slick. Carl.
Hi, Carl. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Man, it is slick.
Yeah, she's definitely.
That's kind of you guys.
I can understand.
Yeah, you found the
Nice to meet you too.
snow.
Oh, it ain't too bad, I don't think.
Nah, it shouldn't be that bad. The bad part's gonna be getting a hook point to pull. I think we can just pull from the wheel, get it to come out. I think I'll just get in front of you, back up here, and we'll just winch it out. I think that'll be the easiest option.
Somebody wanted the keys. I'm happy to give them.
Oh, you can just get in and get it started. Dude, you started like just crab walking down this hill.
I know, I meant to do that so we can get some ground. I think we'll just go to that wheel and we'll just
I'm gonna eat crap.
winch him out.
I'm gonna so eat
You're gonna
crap.
die.
I told you I was gonna eat crap. There's no way.
You literally said that you were gonna, and you did. That's hilarious.
Freaking slick.
She is slick.
I'm just.
All right, that's good. Do you think the wheel? I don't want it to push back against this, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So if I go under, there's the axle. I think I can get it down under the axle.
Possibly. If you can get it around that little control arm, it'd probably be better.
All right, I think we're there.
Butt's all wet now.
Mine?
No, mine.
My knees are soaked now.
You didn't get it or what?
Just gotta get it to go around the ball. Yes!
Got it?
There, now hand me. Well, let's hook this jaunt to there. I think just put her in reverse and I'll just give you a little.
There you
All
go.
right, come back just a little. Not that much, not that much. Just, we gotta get it to break. Oh, we're sliding.
Sure.
Go. We might have to hop in that. Okay, tell him not to spin that much. Just go
Okay.
tell him. I'll go hop in this and we'll go
Kinda
backwards.
Just rest your foot on the brake a little bit. Just, yeah.
All right. What did I hit?
That realtor sign. Hold up. Let's just try and get this sign out maybe.
All right. Well, I can't get out really. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll pull forward and get situated again. Go unhook that real quick, and I'll get in a better spot. I think that we can get it.
You want to try and dig your rear tires in or no?
I don't know, I think it's too frozen.
Think? Yeah, it's too frozen.
I think that's a better position though.
Yeah.
All right, pull that down there to him.
Okay.
Back to that soft jacket.
Let's not try and die this time around.
You got a freaking knot. Let's both grab on it. Let me unlock it real quick. Do we try going?
Well, I mean, move the Tacoma forward.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I don't want to slide into that tree. Just keep that tension. I'll lace forward a little bit.
Right there.
I
That
think
should
we're
probably
gonna
be good.
go hook it.
I just need literally like 6 inches.
Okay, we're up. I think we're good there.
Hello, how are you?
I think you got
I can't get back up the hill.
I know, this hill is
It is very slick, isn't it?
Go tell him how to drive that back out. I'll just ease backwards and it should just pop it out.
You're still in reverse, right?
Yeah.
Sweet. We'll just stay like that. And
Have her hop in.
You kind of kept moving.
I'm just gonna get in front of you, babe.
Hopefully it didn't do too much damage to this front bumper.
Oh, it was already
Really? Look at that fixed.
Yeah, you guys sounded good. We just went spinning, so
Yeah.
we're just glad we're not.
Did you just slide straight down or did you?
No,
You actually started
going
spinning.
up and we actually spun down.
Oh, really? That's.
Yeah, that's why we're so high.
I think this is probably the best case scenario. It's super, super slick. All right, let's don't let the wheel spin near as fast. Turn toward passenger, just a slight. Sweet. Yeah, you can keep turning passenger, and then when you kind of feel like you're getting out of that ditch, you can turn straight. Okay, he's out.
Okay, let
You're out
me.
that ditch. Here, turn to a passenger. I don't know how well this car's gonna hold its weight on this hill. Yeah, he's just sliding.
Okay, do this right now. Put it in drive and just ease forward a little bit. You're good. Keep coming. You'll hit the rope and it should pull you this way.
I'm not gonna. You want me to drive?
Yeah, just turn. Just go forward. Maybe. Turn. Yep, there you go. Turn this way. Yep, keep the turn. There you are.
Oh,
there.
perfect. Watch out, Jace.
We're good. Okay, stop right there.
Would.
Boom.
But I think we're gonna drift over the other side. Let me see if I can get to the bottom.
I got to unhook you then. Put her back in park. Yep. Sweet, there we go. Should be good.
Should be good, hopefully.
Off it there.
Well, you didn't slide into a tree, Jace, which is good.
I know, I got it right in the position where the tree was using it,
Uh-huh.
and it just worked perfectly. Sweet. All right, you're in hook. You can try to ease it, I think. Yep. Sweet, we're out. What time did y'all get stuck there?
It was like right around 10 o'clock.
Ooh.
And so we just walked up the hill.
You guys want to watch us get up that?
Yeah,
Yeah.
we'll follow you
Okay,
up there for
just
sure.
that, and I think we're okay now.
Yep.
Thank you guys.
Yep. We'll hopefully get out of here, I think.
I think we'll be
We'll
fine.
winch it back up in.
Oh, they're just out of here. He's hitting that.
They're whipping that jaunt.
He is completely hauling butt in that sucker.
We'll stop. All right, let's put their rope back. Job well done. We got them out. I think they just blitzed back up the hill. Hopefully they're up there. We'll meet them and say what's up. But
Hopefully they're not in the ditch again.
yeah. All right, we'll make our way that way.
Try to at least.
That wasn't bad.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my duck, my root bear. Root bear, no, root bear. Oh, root bear, no, there's so much root. On the road. Put her back into a drive once we find these guys.
I think they're just gone. Maybe they're out to the highway.
Probably. Yeah, I feel like if we would have pulled them from the front, it would have ripped that bumper off worse than it was. Did you pop it back in?
Yeah, I bounced back. Apparently it was like that before.
Really?
Apparently they were doing freaking like cartwheels down there. Well, not cartwheels. They were just freaking spinning out down the hill.
Yeah.
That's how they landed.
Let's throw the
Dude, that's
hubs
a
out.
nice first gen. Oh, gosh.
Nice. Dying out here.
There hasn't been any snow this year. I'm not used to it.
I know, there's none. Well, that wasn't
Bad.
hard. Once we got this truck positioned to where it wouldn't slide and actually pull, then we're money. They just
No, they're gone.
dipped.
They're gone. Okay then.
Unless they turned at one of those roads up there, but
I didn't see them.
no, they just went straight over the top.
Yeah.
All right, well, job recovered, and we'll head back and do whatever we're gonna do.
Yeah.
So, peace out.